How to prank it up.
You guys working today? Or?
Yeah, I'm Tom Mabe. We're shooting videos and whatnot. And
You're Tom?
Yeah. How you doing? Tom Mabe. What's your name?
Tom Mabe.
Yeah.
Stop.
You know, we were the first people to do the blind drive.
I'm here to pick up my dry cleaning.
Everybody's done the blind drive.
Especially after that bird movie.
Yeah.
I got a couple button-up dress shirts and some slacks. Yeah, I got credit card or I got cash. I'm here at the bank.
I'm good. Can I just get a number 2 with a Coke Zero, please? I'm sorry. I'm in a bank?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Hey guys, Tom Mabe here. Welcome to another episode of Prank It Up. Joining me again is blind Dennis Roady.
What's up, everybody?
Hey,
so
man.
Happy to see you guys here, man. You know, you guys are great. This is a good time. Tom, I love what you did with the place. It feels amazing.
It does. It does. Feng
Tables
shui.
are so
Feng
smooth.
shui. Yes, this used to be in your kitchen. We were the first people to do the blind prank, I think.
I don't know, but that bird box came out.
Oh, geez.
And
you
they
can't
just
do
buried
anything.
it buried you.
It did. No more blindness. No more blindness. Geez. So the gist of you take the cane, you go through the drive. You went through like
You're dragging this across the wall.
and you were ordering a number 2 at Walgreens. We went to Walgreens. You're like, take a number 2 and a Diet Coke. It was awesome.
Dude, the people's reactions when they see a car driving by blind is just pretty funny.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Sorry. Tell me when.
Oh, here's Tom.
Oh.
Okay, did you say...
What?
Did you say you wanted a
Oh, there you
fry
go. And that's a big prank now. I'm seeing a lot of the car driving by prank. Remy did one. I saw some guy do one. It got
And
like
anybody that
150
watched the
million.
Bird Box movie did it.
Is there something I can help you with?
Well, I'm looking for the dry cleaner.
The dry cleaner?
Yeah.
There's no dry cleaner around here, exactly. But it's pretty funny.
The best part is that
I'm trying to
we didn't
conduct
have the
business here.
cameras charged up or whatever, or the batteries, extra batteries, because when that cop pulled us over for the guy that called the cops on us at the bank, the cop actually thought what we were doing was funny,
Yeah, yeah.
and he was making fun of the banker.
Yeah,
And
his
he's like,
partner
"Is the
was like-
banker
he had-
blind?
well,
Is the
his
banker
partner was
blind to
like, well,
comedy?"
he would get you on public mischief. I'm like, oh, geez, guys, can we just have fun here? We're just having.
Yeah.
And they're trying to be really cool though. Both cops turned out well. We were leaving someplace, and we got pulled over by a cop in the prank tank. I brought the prank tank up from Louisville.
You got us out of a ticket.
The guys.
I was driving.
You were driving. Jim gives him my. He said, "Well, who owns the van?" I said, "I do." So you got a license on you, and I'm in the very back of the van just chilling. And he goes, "Oh, and that never happens." But
You
it
should play
happened.
that video.
Let's play it. We'll play a little bit right now. Go ahead.
All right.
You guys working today? Or?
Yeah, I'm Tom Mabe. We're shooting videos and whatnot. And
You're Tom?
yeah. How you doing, Tom Mabe? What's your name?
Tom Mabe.
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah.
Your name's
You're
Stop?
you're P Green.
You have your license? You have your license?
Yeah, yeah. You need it. Here you go, brother.
You're kidding me.
No, man.
Yeah, Dennis is just driving his van, man.
Well, I'm glad I pulled you guys over now. You're kidding me.
Here you go. Don't here. Check
Tom,
this
I
out.
watch you on YouTube all.
Dude, I was wondering who that one person from Ohio was.
Wait, look at. Wow, that guy was cool.
No, he was really cool. And you know, someone sent me something on Facebook saying apparently that cop was like a veteran and like a war hero.
Oh, awesome.
He has done so many good things.
My brother.
Yeah, he was what's it good for? All right, guys, love you. Thanks for checking out another episode of Prank It Up. Do me a favor, prankkits.com for Dennis.
Right there, look, hey. Prankkits.com.
We will see you next time. All right, there you go.
Bye.
Got multiple cameras.